on YouTube. Yeah. Alright, I guess I'll just chill for a little bit and then I'll do the daily problem. Should I peek at the daily problem? Maybe. Let me see what it is. It's a medium. Alright, alright. Medium problem. Should be able to do it, hopefully. Oh, Zombie Cha, what's happening? Test. Yeah, it's working. I had to make sure the tablet was working, man, because I didn't see Elite Whale's first message on my tablet, so I was wondering if something was up with the internet on the tablet with the Wi-Fi. But everything is working, man. We're good to go. I'm ready to get into it. Here we go. Daily problem. Largest combination with bitwise and greater than 0. The bitwise and of an array nums is the bitwise and of all integers in nums. For example, nums is 153. The bitwise and is equal to 1. Also for num7, the bitwise and is 7. You are given an array of positive integers candidates. Evaluate the bitwise and of every combination of numbers of candidates. Each number in candidates may only be used once in each combination. Return the size of the largest combination of candidates with a bitwise and greater than 0. So here they give us an example. They say the answer is 4 because the combination with these 4 numbers is greater than 0. So I guess what the problem is really asking is the most set bits. How many numbers share the most set bits? Something like that, right? Because a bitwise and means that a bitwise and that's greater than 0 means that all the numbers in that set have the same bit that is set. So I guess what we can do is count all the bits for all the numbers. Wait, does it need to be a subsequence or any combination of numbers? Yeah, so it's just like the count, whichever bit has the most bits set, that is the answer. Let me try and implement that. So I'll use this bits vector size 32 to count each set bit, and I'll just iterate over the numbers in the candidates and set all the bits. How do I do that? I guess we can say, how do you do it, man? X and 1 is the bit. So then bits, how do I say, plus equal to bit maybe? So this will either be a 0 or a 1. Tuxu! What's happening, man? Thank you very much for that sub. Let me add your name up there. Alright, here we go. Oops. Alright, Tuxu 2 stars turns into 3 stars. Thank you so much. Alright, so we're trying to count the set bits, and this bit is either 0 or 1. And then we're adding the result there. So only 1 bits get incremented, basically. And then we got to do a little shifting. So I guess we can shift X to the right by 1. Yeah, I think that's what we do. And then we just return the maximum number in bits, I think. All right, let's see. Jesus, 19. Wait. How did I get... How am I gonna get 19, man? There's this part must be wrong, right? How does that work? You should increment, Brett. What's happening? So I thought like this bit can only be a 0 or 1, right? Oh, increment I. Thanks. What a terrible bug. Thank you. Main LC student, how you doing? Welcome. Yeah, who knows how long I've been staring at my code trying to figure out what is wrong with it. Thank you, Brad. That's just I'm not fully warmed up yet. Let's call it that. Yeah, that problem not too difficult. I think the key observation here is that anytime you AND 2 numbers together, it can only get smaller or stay the same. Like you can't make a number bigger. And then with that knowledge, I guess you can realize like for a number to AND with another number and have it greater than 0, that means they must share at least one set bit. So the size of the largest combination of numbers where the AND of all of them is greater than 0 means that they must all share a bit that is set. So we're just counting whichever bit is set the most. And all those numbers with that set bit in one set would be an AND that's greater than 0. Crazy intuition? I don't think it's that crazy, Bobby Blue. What's happening, man? I think, I mean, it seems like a lot of people got that intuition. All right. Apparently the bit is just length 24. Wait, what do you mean? The bit is length. Oh, because the number is only size, what is this, like 10 million? Is that 10 million? I think so. So 10 million is probably like 2 to the 24. Well, that's 16 million. So 2 to the 20, yeah. 2 to the 24 sounds about right. To be able to hold all the bits for 10 million, a number of size 10 million. DevGod 2020, what's happened? Hash map to the rescue? Hash map? Who's using hash maps here? It ain't me. I guess you could use a hash map to count the set bits. Yeah. Alright. Are you ready for some leet rooms or hash free zone? Sometimes we need those hash maps. The big thing is finding groups of numbers that share a on-bit location. Yeah, but I don't think you actually have to find those numbers. You can just count each bit, how many, you know, yeah, I already talked about it a bunch. Yeah, so you can just count all the bits set by each number and then take the most set bit, you know, that's what I'm doing here. So I guess maybe you just rolled up into the stream before I said that stuff, or after I said that stuff. Yeah, so it's a lot easier to implement if you don't actually have to find out which numbers those are that share the same bit. I'm not even sure how you'd find those numbers with 10 to the 5th candidates. That seems like a harder problem. Pats, hello world. Thank you very much for the hydrate. Cheers. Man, Pat, yesterday I was pretty bored. And I bought that dang trading card simulator game, man. Or a trading card simulator shop game. I didn't play it too long, but it was interesting. I played Supermarket Simulator before. And I felt it was like the same thing, man. Thoughts on the election? I don't really have any thoughts, man. It is what it is. I didn't vote. So I think I was just watching from the sidelines. What are my thoughts on it, though? I don't really have any thoughts I'd like to share, I guess. But I don't have like radical thoughts, man. I think I'm thinking just, you know, let's see how it goes. Yeah, anyways. It was your duty as a citizen to vote. Maybe. Well, I guess I'm a bad citizen. Disappointed, yeah. What can you do, man? I didn't really feel like I resonated with anyone in the election, so. And then I also feel like living in a state that is like, I feel my vote doesn't really count, man. So, anyways. Still should choose a lesser evil. That's what people tell me. Maybe next time. Sorry to disappoint you, man. But that's how it is. You ready for elite rooms? That's why I don't really want to talk politics, you know? Because no matter what you say, you're going to like alienate some people. And usually it's, I don't know if it's worth stating your opinion, man. When it's like, I got nothing to gain from sharing my opinion, but maybe a lot to lose, you know? Growing up as an adult, the whole South Park choice between a turd sandwich and a douche meme feels so real. I've never seen that episode, but I can imagine what it's about. Can we do a gamble? Gamble on what? Maybe later. My one vote doesn't change much compared to millions of votes, and I have no choice over the candidate choices. Voting is a privilege and a right. We as Americans have the choice to vote or not. We are free. I think some countries it's like illegal to vote. I mean, illegal to not vote. Maybe Australia. Australia, mandatory vote. Is that true? I guess it's true. It's only a $20 fine. Oh, dang. So I guess it's not such a big deal to not vote there. Some Australian told me this once a while ago. I'm addicted to your gamble game, man. That's just rolling dice. It's not just an episode, it's like the whole season. What? Did you stay up on election night? I did. Pat had a Poggers election stream. Yeah, I was there, man. I was mostly lurking, but I was there. Like, there are some countries like North Korea or older communism countries that would have one-party voting, where instead of for a candidate, it's specifically yes or no. Yeah, I don't know much about that. Senior engineer Pat, yeah. Big congratulations. Let me just tell everybody here, in case you don't know, Pat's Hello World got a senior engineer offer recently. So big congrats to Pat. Pat's been working at that for many months now. I don't even remember when Pat started to stream, but it feels like at least like 4, 5, 6 months. I don't know. Are you ready to race? Are we ready to race? Did somebody redeem it? I don't think anyone redeemed it. So maybe we should wait to see if Bobby Blue redeems the Type Racer before we jump into the elite rooms. There we go. Type Racer time. Alright, what's the bet? I don't know what I should do. Maybe if I get triple digits. Will I get triple digits? Yes or no? Alright, place your bets. I think mandatory voting would require making the process easily accessible, and there are a lot of politicians in this country that wouldn't want to give people easy access to voting. Yeah, I don't really have any thoughts on mandatory voting. No Condom Chris is getting old and Q is getting fast. No Condom Chris is getting faster, man. No Condom Chris wasn't as fast as he used to be. He's definitely on an upswing. Alright, place those bets, man. We're about to do a Type Racer. The first race is the warm-up. The second race is the championship round. Anyways, I don't really want to talk about any politics, man. I would like to have this place to be a place where everybody is welcome, where you can come here, whoever you vote for, whatever you believe, man, who cares? As long as you like algorithms, you're welcome to this stream. In some ways. You know, that's how I feel. Don't want to get canceled. Yeah, that's like, I'd say, yeah, that's kind of true. But also, I don't want to like create some type of divide within the LeetCode community. And we all like found something we like in common. We all like to do algorithms. I don't want to ruin that by trying to make people voice their opinions on what they support, who they support, why they support what, and all that stuff, man. We can just hang out, do algorithms together, and chill. Alright. What are we doing? Meanwhile, Pat shows his ballot. Yeah. I saw that. Anyways, there's a Type Racer. Oh, wait. Where's my Discord at? Man, I think my Discord is broken. I can't even send it to the Discord. I gotta reinstall Discord on my computer or something. Anyways. Alright. First race is the warm-up round. Here we go, man. How did I miss that? Wait, what did you miss? You missed the bets? Dang. Alright, warm-up round. Dang. 102 for No Condom Chris, aka Six Pack Sexy. But that's only the warm-up round, man. The championship round is about to begin. That's when everybody turns on the nitrous. Alright, alright. Hopefully I can get those triple digits. Let me look at those bets one more time. Ooh. If I don't get triple digits, No Condom Chris is gonna be rich. I was referring to Pat's stream. Oh, oh dang! This might be a triple digits passage. Pixel Pusher is in the house. All right, man. Gotta get ready for this. Here we go. $130 for a Q, $206 for a Pixel Pusher, the very first 200 plus WPMs. Jesus Christ. Six Pack Sexy with the 108. Clistar, very first triple digits on the stream with the 106. And how much did I get? 120. Not bad, not super fast passage, man. Redo? Nah, there's no redoing a championship round. I'll never type at 206. Yeah, 206 is insane. So will I get triple digits? Oh yeah, crushed it. 120. And Pixel Pusher with 206 miles per hour. Crazy. November 6th. $206. Wow. Look at that. 206. Next time, can we reset if the paragraph is short? No, man. That's not how gambling works. You can't just keep rolling until you find a favorable odds, man. Come on now. Alright. I guess it's Leet Rooms time. So, what do y'all want? Easies, mediums, hards? Easies and mediums. Gotta make Simon do your 1975 problem. Brent Arata, what's happened? Wait, I already started the Leet Rooms. Is there a problem? Oh shit. Man. Big trouble, big trouble. My tablet just died. No, I can't read the dang thing. It's charging, it's charging. Alright, I'll create a new Leet Rooms. Man, I can't believe I didn't charge my tablet. can't believe this. I don't even know how to turn it on, man. Anyways, I gotta read the chat old school way while I'm not looking at the camera. My bad. Alright, sum of subarray minimums. This is what Bobby Blue wants. Unsolved. Let me see. Yeah, unsolved, maybe. Alright, given an array of integers, find the sum of the minimum b, where b ranges over every contiguous subarray of the array. Since the answer may be large, return the answer mod some prime number. What are they talking about? Sum of minimum b? Alright, so in the input, or example 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, the answer is 17. The subarrays are... Wait, I don't even know what I was doing here. Let me just erase it. Minimums are 3, 1, 2. Oh, Jesus. I think I see. I don't know if I can do this problem, man. Wait, Bobby Blue is out? What do you mean? You just gonna drop the problem and leave? I guess no condom Chris dropped the problem. Oh, my tablet's back. Uh-oh. All right. Wait. Dinesh Kumar from YouTube. My bad. What's happened? I didn't see your message. The word min means something, or is it just text? So, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. So every continuous subarray. So do I have to like try and figure out, how many times each number contributes? So, all right, there's gonna be at least each number one time. Yeah, and then, no, this one is too hard, man. I don't even know what to do. Slutty, what's happening? And Jake Rocks, how you doing? How you doing? Wait, your mic keeps cussing out? Man, I have all types of problems today. I don't know what to do. All right. Is it going on like right now still? Cuts in and out. Uh-oh. Not right now. Happened like 3 times. All right, let me know if it happens again. Random times for 1 second. Yeah, let me know. Maybe I'm like... Yeah, just let me know if it happens again. I'll try and see what I can do. Oh, technical difficulties today, man. So this problem seems hard. I don't know what to do here. It's at least each number, and then how do you know? Shit. then it's 3 times 10 to the 4th. That's like what, 30,000? 30,000. I give up. This is too hard. Let me zero track it. Dang, it's only a 1975 example. Text. So alright, one. Oh, maybe it's like when, I don't know, something gets unplugged. Alright. Go back. Here's a problem. Here's a problem. I don't think I can solve it. Yeah, this one is stumping me. Like no idea where to begin. Which part? What do you mean which part? This whole problem. Can you get the subarrays? No, I don't know how to do that. Let me think. That's the hard part. Yeah, I don't know how to get all the subarrays, all the contiguous subarrays. Isn't a for loop? It could, I mean, I could get it in n squared time doing a double for loop, but that is for sure not gonna pass. Well, the word contiguous means in a row, like the numbers have to be in a row. Did you skip the previous exercise? What's the previous exercise? I haven't skipped it yet. I did the daily earlier, and then now I'm onto this problem that Bobby Blue or No Condom Chris wanted. You mean the previous 906 problems? Wait, let me give it some thoughts, man. This must be like some crazy observation that you gotta make in order to solve it. So perhaps we can look at these subarrays and see if we can find a pattern. So each number once, and then get the minimum. So they say it's supposed to be like this. 3, 1, 2, 4. That's each number by itself, and then 1, 1. 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. This kind of feels like maybe it's gonna be some type of, I don't know, recursion type problem. 2, 4 is 2. Can I slide a window over it? No. So the minimum, all right. The minimum. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so 1 appears 6 times in each subarray. Let me see, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. This appears 4 times. How much does a 2 appear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm just gonna guess that the last number appears 4 times. And it's probably some type of, based on the length of the array, how many different subarrays there are. So, wait, let me count the 4 just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the ends appear the length of the array. And then what? The middles appear like... I don't know, man. What if there's like 5 elements in here? Then... Trip out again? This, I heard it. I heard it, man. Yes. Alright, let me try some things. Oh, shit. Man, everything has been messing up on my computer today. Alright, hopefully that fixes it. I just changed the USB port. You can solve it? Man, I don't know if I can solve it. Do you write any kind of notes on the problem you've done already? I do not. Alright, we're trying to see how many times something appears if there is like 5 elements. So I guess the ends would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These middle ones would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 8? Is that right? Am I tripping? This one would be like 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 9 times? I don't really know what I'm doing, man. So I guess it's like how many in between the middle? I still don't know what to do with this information though. It's like how many times each number appears in every subarray, and then maybe it's like Wait, let me go back to the original thing. Maybe it is something like what's it, 4664. Wait, but 3 appears more than 5 times? Wait, how can 3 appear? There's that. It can't appear more than 5 times. It appears once in that subarray, once in that one, once in that one. Nah, 3 appears 5 times. But anyways, I don't know what to do with this information. Even if I figured out the right numbers, how do I figure out the minimum? You know? How does it work? Can chat backseat? I like to try to give it some thoughts before the backseating begins. But usually when I'm stuck, I don't mind people backseating. And I'd say I am stuck right now. I'm not sure how to solve this one. But my intuition tells me maybe it has something to do with like how many times each index appears in all of the subarrays, all the contiguous subarrays in the bigger array. And then I guess the next part for me to figure out would be like, how do you know which ones are the minimums you have to add? Can you use the min function and add them all up? I'm not sure what you mean by that. When this happens, you try GPT? No, I don't use ChatGPT. If I wanted to know the solution, I just click on solutions and look at somebody else's answer. Yeah, this one is tough for me. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 appears, this will be at least 6. And then I wonder if we sorted it. Like, since we're taking no, we're taking like contiguous subarrays, so maybe sorting might not be the way. So the answer is 17 here. 1. Yeah, I don't think. But ChatGPT can give you the solutions while pretending to be Winston Churchill. Yeah, but I don't want that, you know. Should I just give up? Should I peek at the topic? Yeah, I'm gonna peek. DP, monotonic stack. Monotonic stack? DP? I don't know, man. Yeah, maybe this one is too hard for me, for sure. If you had a list of lists, then can't you find the min of each? Yeah, that would be too slow. If you think about test cases where you can do deletions, it might give you some insights. Test cases where you can do some deletions. Not sure what you mean. How many subarrays does 3 contribute to? And wait, where that 3 is the minimum. Right, LeetWhale. That's what I was trying to think about originally, but I got stuck as like, how do you know when it's the minimum? That's where I'm not sure. So I can see 3 contributes to like only 1 when it's by itself, because every time there's at least another minimum in there, like the 1. But then if like this was a 4 and this was a 1, then 3 would be the minimum 2 times in this subarray and in that subarray. So maybe that has something to do with it. Like, not sure. Monotonic stack may work. Yeah, that's what they say. It was under the topics. Land of the Leet, how are you doing? Well, if you want to solve everything but the subarray, find you can test case 1. What? If you want to solve everything but the subarray, find you can test case 1. I don't know what that means, man. All right, so 3 contributes to only 1 time when it is the minimum, because there's a number greater than it or smaller than it next to it. Maybe that has something to do with that. 1, so it could do a maximum of 4, but it only does 1. And then 1 contributes to 6 times. But I only know that because it's the absolute minimum of the array. And all right, 2. Let's try and figure out how many times 2 is. 2 would be itself and I guess this one, but not anything with the 1 in it, because the 1 will always be smaller. So only so I'm starting to see a small pattern where it contributes up to the first number that's greater than it in some ways. So like if we swap these numbers, 4 and 1, then the 3 would contribute right up until you hit a number that's smaller, like right there. So this one and all these. So 1, 2. The 4 would only contribute 1 time. The 2 would contribute to 1 time here, going right, and then 1, 2, 3 times there. And then the 1 would be like the whole thing. So maybe I can use something like that, but I feel, are all the things unique? I don't know, man. I'm about to give up. I think I'm just gonna look at a solution. If anybody has a solution they'd like to share, I'm happy to look at that one before I look at like Lee 215 or something. Stack solution. Monotonic stack. ON. Alright, maybe I can ON with a monotonic stack. Maybe I should just think along those lines. So ON. Imagine I'd have some type of stack and I add the 3. Well, let me put the original numbers back. So right now my answer is 0. I put the 3 in. What am I doing with the stack, man? Am I just like... While something is greater, we want to pop it. While something is less, we want to pop it. I don't know yet, but let's just do some random stuff. So now, I don't know, man. I give up. I give up officially. I'm just gonna look. Man, what the hell? So while it's not empty and the top is greater. Wait, that's not the full code. I want to read the full code. It's like 2 stacks, man. What the hell? Yeah, this one is beyond me, man. Previous less. Oh, I think. Yeah, I think I had these ideas actually, where we go up to the first number that's greater than it, and all of those numbers count. But they use this stack to try and figure out like how many numbers are there before and after, and then you just multiply it out at the end. So we have to basically find smallest to the left and smallest to the right or something. Can these types of questions really come up in an interview? Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say this one is hard. I'm not gonna do it. It's too hard for me. I'm just gonna go with the elite rooms that we tried to do earlier. Here we go, man. I don't want to think too hard today. Maybe I'll come back to this problem another time. I'll add it to some type of list. Problems that I can't do. Just come back. The first thing I hear is you give up. Yeah, Bobby Blue, that problem is too hard, but I understand the solution now. So I don't want to code it up right now. Maybe another time though. But 1975, that's crazy that it's such a low rated problem. It seems really a lot harder than that. All right, let me pin this elite rooms. And so we got monotonic array, lemonade change, construct product matrix, largest combination with bitwise and greater than 0. We just did that, man. What the hell? All right, here we go. Monotonic array. An array is monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. An array nums is monotone increasing if for all I less than equal to j, nums I less than equal to nums j. An array nums is monotone decreasing for all I less than equal to j if nums I is greater than equal to nums j. Given an integer array nums, return true if the given array is monotonic or false otherwise. Alright, I guess I will just... How should I do this? Do I just... Maybe I can make a copy and sort them and see if all the elements are the same, or so if this means it's increasing, what am I doing, man? So there's my copy, and then if it's increasing, I'm just gonna sort like that, and if it's not, oh wait, maybe this is not a great idea. Maybe I should just sort both ways and see what's up, man. Man, LeetWhale already solved it. Too easy. Oh, Julio Campos. Howdy, how are you doing? A Brazilian lurker here. Do you have a course recommendation for a developer with 10 years of experience but who has always been afraid of LeetCode and wants to learn now? Oh, Julio Campos. I was you a few years ago, except I didn't have 10 years. I had like 7 years. And I never done any LeetCode. I'd say course recommendation, I think there's a lot of resources you could use. Let's see. I think I actually used Grokking the coding interview originally back in the days, like 3 years ago, but I don't think you actually need that these days. I think any of these lists are fine where they break down all the topics. LeetCode is probably the most popular one. It just kind of gives you a bunch of topics and you go learn all of them. I use Grokking, the coding interview. There's like the Grind 75, but they're not so much courses. They're more like, here are all the topics you should learn, and then go learn them on your own, you know? Maybe. I don't even know. I haven't been on Grind 75 in a long time. But you can probably just check out these and see which one you like. Alright, here we go. Let me make a other copy. And I'll just iterate through. Wait, how should I do this, man? Should I make like is same what should I call this? Vector of ints. How about that? Liquid Surya. How are you doing? I'm doing alright. Oh, it can be done in ON. Sort. Yeah, we can do it in ON. But I'm lazy. I thought I was being lazy by sorting, but I think it's like more work. So I'm just gonna be like, if nums I not equal to vi I, return false, and then return true here, and then just return is same for copy, or is same for other copy. I hope that's right, man. So I'm just like sorting in increasing order and then sorting in decreasing order, and then just checking the original array to see if it matches either of them. Or yeah, maybe this is like a little bit ridiculous, man. Maybe I can just say, after I said it out loud, nums equal copier, nums equal other copy. That's kind of like the same thing I just did. I can just do that, man. Sanket from YouTube, what's happening? Use 2pass? What are you using right now? What am I using? What do you mean? C++? I'm just sorting. I guess if you want me to do it in on time, then I'll just keep this function and let me think. What method? Oh, yeah, I'm just sorting it, man. Nothing too crazy. But let me think how I will implement this cleanly in on time, where maybe I'll just have like, so in reverse direction. I guess I'll just go from, I'm trying to think about like clean code here where I don't have a bunch of copy and pasted stuff everywhere. How can I do that? Clean. So I want to check in the regular direction and in the normal direction, but I'm sure there's a nicer way to do this. And then we just check like if nums I is, so this, oh wait, actually, I don't even know what I'm talking about, man. We don't have to go from the reverse. We just need to check if it's increasing or decreasing, right? So if it's increasing, we gotta check like if nums I is less than nums I minus 1, return false. And here I guess we can just say if it's greater than. I don't know if I'm making things more complicated than it needs to be. I'm ready to move on from this problem. Check. Wait. I don't even need this part. Check for is monotonic increasing, and then check for is monotonic decreasing in 2 separate for loops. Make 2 functions. Wait, from YouTube. Make a loop and check each number with the next one. Yes, that's what I just did. But I just did it with 1 function. But it might as well be 2 functions, man. Alright, let me think. How can I do this with using only 1 function? I'm trying to like golf here. I'm not even doing anything important. Anyways, I'm ready to move on, man. Lemonade change. Oh, I did this one recently. I done all these problems recently. I just did this like last week, man. I'm not about to do it again. So that leaves us with only this third question, because the fourth question was a daily problem today. So construct products matrix. This might be tough. Constructing anything is tough for me. I'm going back to doing my C++ solutions in Python and getting better runtime scores. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Alright, given a zero index 2D integer matrix grid of size n by m, we define a zero index 2D matrix P of size n by n as the product matrix of grid if the following condition is met. Each element Pij is calculated as the product of all elements in grid except for the element grid ij. This product is then taken modulo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return the product matrix of grid. Let me think. I guess it means my C++ code sucks. Wait. Oh, I see what you're saying. You're translating your C++ to Python and it's getting better runtimes. Wait, like better absolute runtimes? You know, or you're talking like just better percentage runtime? Yeah, maybe your C++ sucks, man. No, Python is not supposed to be as fast as C++. Alright, how... Python solution uses more memory but got 0 milliseconds while C++ got 8. Oh, that might be a bug with LeetCode. I've been seeing a lot of posts on the LeetCode subreddit that says all the submissions are always showing 0 milliseconds. So maybe it's like a bug in their reporting, you know? Alright, let me try and science this one out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. The product of this is 6 times 4 is 24. So everything is 24. So does that mean we just go ahead and divide by that thing? So this one would be 24. This would be 12. This would be 8. And this would be 6. Yeah. So let me think about it a little bit more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1. Only edge case would be if it's 0. Yeah, that would be an edge case. But what is going on here? So these numbers should be this times 2. What is that times 2? And then like, why is this 0? Oh, because it's mod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, that's 0. Oh shit. Oh man, how do we deal with that? Let me think about that. Because the mod will be 0. If we multiplied everything out, it's going to be a mod of 0. And then I don't know. I don't even know how to handle this case here. Dang, 31%. Do I have to like... What do I have to do? Because then if I just take the mod... Have you solved this problem for a list before? I have solved it kind of for a list, but not with a mod of such a small number. Product of the product of a array except for itself. Yes, I've done that. But this mod thing is throwing me off because we're gonna get a 0 in like this case, and I'm not sure how to deal with that. Get P without mod and then find P using mod. I don't know if that will, because each number can be up to 1 billion and there's gonna be 100,000, so that seems like it will overflow even for a long. So there must be some way to get around that, but I don't know how. Wait, can you solve the list version without division? Yeah, you do like product of everything to the left times product of everything to the right. Right? Why can't you do that here? Why can't I do that here? Because there's too many dimensions for me to think about that. The fact that it's a matrix is just a trick. Oh, so you're saying I could just translate this into a list and then just... Why can't I do that here? Oh, I could do it. I could do it. Interesting. So this is just a tricky disguised problem, is what you're saying, Brett. I'm here trying to think of like, how do you deal with this mod thing? They're just tricking you. Alright, thanks. I think I'd have spent a ton of time going down the wrong rabbit hole there. So I just make a giant list. And then I take product to the left, product to the right, and then I multiply the both sides. Yeah. Let me try to implement that. What is in here? How do I just insert the whole row? Is it just insert? Wait. I don't even know the syntax off the top of my head. I gotta look it up. insert begin. Okay, so the vector first and then the other vector second. Well, this should be ends, right? And then now oh wait, I should get size n. Wait, let me think. So we go through this, we get the things to the left. Oh wait, maybe I should be like put everything to the left. Is this right? Wait, mod is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Use a mod from your shirt. My bad. The mod is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I guess we do the same thing from the right side. So I'll just copy this. And then now, oh wait, now I gotta figure out how the hell do I put them in the thing. Oh, I guess that's not hard. Let me finish here and then I'll build the thing. So this is all stuff. And now almost answer. So I'm just gonna iterate over all the things in all. And then I guess we have if I equals 0, then it's the first number, then it's just the number on the right. Yeah, so well, that might be an edge case. Average USA enjoyer, what's happening? You look like a game developer that knows C++ for 30 years. Are you? No, man. I'm not a game developer, and I don't know C++ that well. And I've been trying to learn C++ for about 3 years or so, 4 years maybe. Maybe 5 years actually. Almost 5 years. How about transposing all elements greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to their modes and then doing the rest of the algo? What? To their mods? What language did you do previously? I did TypeScript very badly right before I tried to learn C++. And before that, I did JavaScript very badly. And before that, I did VB.NET, Visual Basic.NET. Flumsy is in the house. What's happening, man? How are you doing, Flumsy? Oh, let me just say right now, if y'all don't know who Flumsy is, Flumsy is the creator of Leet Rooms, the very extension that we all use to collaborate with each other and solve the same problems together. And Flumsy is in New York City right now. And if anyone is in New York in this community and you guys want to meet up, I'm thinking about having a little meetup maybe this weekend or next weekend with a very special guest. Flumsy is gonna be there. So let me know if anyone is interested in that. And if you're in the Discord, maybe we can work out the details in there. So your work wasn't related to programming? My work is related to programming. All right, let me think about this problem. What was I doing? So if we're at the ends, so if I is at either end, but then what if there's only one element? That is a possibility, man. If there's only one element, I guess I can just do something else. Wait, if there's only one element, I'm gonna just return 0, man. And then everything else should kind of work. Flumsy with no 5 was taken. What? Alright, what am I doing here? Almost and I equal all I minus 1 times all I plus 1. But we gotta mod that, right? And then now I gotta build up the vector again. It's grid dot size calls. So I want an answer of size rows and of size calls. And then now I guess I'll try and fill out the answer based on the flat list. So answer, what's R gonna be? R is gonna be like I divided by rows. Let me think about this. And the column is gonna be like I mod. Hold on. Vikrant, how are you doing? Are you gonna stream tomorrow for the website? Oh lordy. I should. I might, yeah. All right, let me try and science this out. So if we had an element, or if had something with like 9 elements in there, the first 3 would be like row 0, and that's I divided by rows. That would give row 0, and then I mod rows is the column, maybe. So yes, so this one, it would be like row 1. Yeah, I think that's right. Let's see. That was, oh Jesus. What does that mean? I guess this is out of bounds, man. Rows, columns. Rows, columns. Is this wrong? Let me see what's going on here. Zero, one. Zero and one. Oh, wait. There is no one there. So, 0. Alright. I think my formula is wrong, man. Maybe because... Alright, there's 3. Maybe, alright. There's how many rows? 3 rows. And I guess this is like... I don't even know what I'm doing, man. Both are columns? Oh, wait. That's crazy. I don't know why I got tripped up. Wait, how is it both columns? Wait. Oh, Jesus Christ. I did not use left and rights. I don't know where my brain's at today, Brett. I'm sorry. So this should be right. This should be left. This should be left. And this should be right. Man, thank you so much, Brett, for... I think I just messed everything up. But thank you for always, like, guiding me to the right place. Got my code to work. Very nice. Very nice. Wait, Jesus Christ. How is this? Do I have to hit them with the long? Oh, long t-shirt. I see what you're saying, Brett. Man, I gotta hit them with the long. Thank you for walking me through that one. Alright. What are y'all saying? I'd say I'm ready for another room since there was only really one problem in this room. The next room I do, I'm gonna just take out the easies and let's do mediums and hards for an hour. And let's see how that goes. Pin this message, send it to YouTube as well. All right, 4 new problems, 2 of them mediums, 2 of them hards. We got valid square. We got count substring starting and ending with given character. Minimum cost, walk in weighted graph, and number of ways to divide a long corridor. Alright, I'll attempt Q1, valid square. And I'll move my code down here so we can keep this stuff up there. Given the coordinates of 4 points in 2D space, P1, P2, P3, and P4, return true if the 4 points construct a square. The Coordinates of a point P is represented as x, y. The input is not given in any order. A valid square has 4 equal sides with positive length and 4 equal angles. Alright, this one doesn't sound crazy. But I have to give it some thoughts. So I think Brett taught me some tricks about squares recently. And the trick was like you check if they're on the same diagonal. We just need 2 points on the same diagonal or anti-diagonal. And then we just make sure that the other 2 points line up with those. So maybe I'll try to implement some of those ideas. Or maybe there's an easier way for this one. Let me give it some thoughts for a bit. Should I? All right. Oh dang, Leet Whale already solved one. So I'm thinking, do I have to do that diagonal trick where we need them on the same diagonals? Or is there an easier way? And do I just make one big vector to contain all the points? Or what? Nah. Yeah. So the diagonal is, I don't know which way, if it's plus. I might have these mixed up. So the diagonal goes like top left to bottom right. And I guess that would be minus, and then the anti-diagonal would be plus. And then, what am I doing with these, man? Let me think. Should I just do like a double for loop? Or I don't know, there seems to be so many edge cases here that you gotta check. Check the lengths, they should be equal, and check slopes. Yeah, maybe. But let me try this way first before I think about what you're saying. So these 2 points, I'm trying to find like another point. So maybe, yeah, maybe I will just iterate like this. Can I just use Q? No, I don't know what to do, man. This problem is a lot harder than it seems for me. It feels tricky, you know? What am I thinking about? I don't want to like... All right, let me stop thinking. Let me just start doing. So maybe... No. This is bad. So I'm looking for like 2 points that share at least one of these things. And what do we do if we... Should I try and draw what I'm thinking about here? Maybe it might make it easier for me to implement it. Did you design that t-shirt? I did. Oh wait, my camera is a bit lean. I did design the t-shirt, man. Alright, so if we have these points, there is a point here at 0, 0. And then we got 1, 1. Then we got 1, 0. And we got 0, 1. It's like these 2 points would be on the same diagonal, anti-diagonal. These 2 points would be on the same diagonal too. And then now we're just looking for like if these other points exist. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So if they're on the same diagonal, then we just gotta make sure that... Hold on, my code is not right yet. All I... Why you don't like people referring to row and column by X and Y. So if you refer to a row and column by X and Y, it's very confusing. So imagine imagine you have a 2D grid, right? And it's like this. Yeah, it irks me. Oh wait, you already know why, so maybe I don't even have to explain. But let's say the grid is just like this. If you want to refer to this number right here, 5, this is in... Let me put some indices and stuff. This is 0, 1, 2. In terms of rows and columns, 0, 1, 2. So this would be, that 5 is at 1, comma 2. So it'd be like grid 1, 2. But if you think of these as x, y, and then you think of a Cartesian coordinate plane like this, then it's like these are the x's and these are the y's, you know? So if you're looking at the same thing, it's just, in this case, it would be like, let me try and draw this over here. You know, this would be like 1, da, 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 another thing, number, number, number. So in the Cartesian coordinate plane, the same location, it would be called like 2, 1 xy coordinates. But it's reversed. It's like the inverse of what you're doing when you're trying to access it in a 2D grid. So using xy for that is a little bit confusing. I don't think it matters. Use what you like. No, I think it matters a lot. And I've been burnt by this many times in the past when I've used like X and Y for rows and columns. So I think R and C is the most clear way that you can write it. And especially if you have a bug in your code and you're not sure, it's like your brain automatically thinks of the Cartesian coordinates when you think of X and Y. And it causes all types of confusion. So I think IJ is okay, but you know, I kind of looks like a J sometimes when you're looking quick. But an R and a C is like super clear, like which row, which column. There isn't any other way to interpret that. So that's why I say RC is superior for 2D grids. Anyways, your homepage. Wait, where can I buy that shirt? It's right here. I haven't really put a link to the shop or anything yet. I'll do it one day, man. I still have to take some pictures. I've just been super busy, man. So I got the long shirt. I got the dang Fibonacci frog. And all types of other junk. Oh shit. Oh, this problem is like harder for me to think about than it should be. Like, because I can solve this problem logically. It's like, how do I implement it though, you know? How do I implement it cleanly, I guess, without 1,000 if statements? All right, so I'm saying if they share the same thing, then we just got to make sure that the other points are this, like, maybe I'll do like another loop here. No. How do I make sure that, I'm struggling. Maybe I can make like a set instead of this thing, so I can do some weird lookup tricks. Because I know the point I'm looking for. Maybe I can just search for it in the set, you know. But then now I can iterate. Yeah. Hold on, let me start over. Let me just erase this. So the diagonal is just P0 minus P1. The anti is P0 plus P1. Have you tried next permutation? No, I don't ever remember about that function. Maybe I should. What do you know about the points on a arbitrary square? What do I know about them? That they're like, they make a square. Hold on, I have this crazy idea. Let me try and implement it. Wait, but the points could be the same. But if the points are the same, then it's bad anyways. And then I want to go through. Oh, Leet Whale just solved it. Very nice, Leet Whale. It looks like there's a lot of dang edge cases there to consider. So now I'm going through all the other points and I'm checking if there's a thing that matches. So if there's a diagonal that matches, oh, Brett did it easily too. All right. I think maybe this way might work though. So if these match, then maybe I'm just trying to erase that and then loop through them again. No, I don't need to loop through anything. I can just do like P0 PP1 target 1 is that, target 2 is, I'm not sure what it is, but I'm just gonna guess it's that. Maybe I'll modify it after. So if let me put this on another line. T2 is that, does that even look right? I hope so. There might be some serious things wrong with my code. Oh, Jesus. I'm not doing too great today, man. I think it's hard for me to stay focused here. Line 18. What did I do wrong? What's wrong with this? What were they saying? What's wrong with this, man? Am I tripping right now? P0, like, is there a typo? Am I just doing something crazy? Trying to take this point and that point, create a new point, and it's telling me I'm tripping. This operator. Anyways. Time exceeded. What am I doing, man? Oh, is it because I'm like inserting something so it like never finishes? Alright, I don't know what to do, man. This problem is too hard. I think it's like inserting is the problem here. All right, let me think. This is like already so terrible, the code that I have for this problem. I'm a bit embarrassed, man, but what can you do, you know? What can you do? Also loop should run at most 4 times. No, I think because I was like erasing something and inserting it again, it caused some type of weird behavior. Maybe this will also cause weird behavior, you know? I would definitely get a strong no hire if I were to code something like this in an interview, man. Alright, let me see if this actually finishes without timing out now. Alright, we're making some progress, man, but it's not enough. And I think my problem is... Jesus. I think my problem is like... these things right here. I don't know if this should be the X and this should be the Y or the other way around. And I'm like feeling too lazy to think about it too much. All right, let me look at this case. So we got We got 1, 0. We got -1, 0. We got 0, 1. Oh lordy, they're talking about diagonal things too, man. I can't handle diagonal squares. No, but this should work, right? No, no, no. Because like these would be on the same diagonal. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. I see why it's not working. Man, I just went down a wrong rabbit hole there. I never even thought about a square shaped like a diamond. Yeah, tilted square? Yeah, man. How the hell do you do this? Should I just give up and look at what Leet Whale and Brett did? Yeah, what can we say about these squares? My code is ugly? Man, now I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look for sure. Alright, let's see. My code is ugly too. Dang. This ain't ugly. This is just golfy. Hey, what the hell? Oh, so you go through all the permutations and you just make sure all the distances between the points are the same. Let me see what Brett did. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what Brett did. Brett says, what is this? DAB? Something squared. Oh, this is like the diameter, maybe? And you take one side times 2 and the other side times 2 to get the diameter of the square. I don't even know what Brett is doing or what I'm looking at here. Euclidean distance. Wait, the diameter of... Oh, distance. Oh yeah, not diameter, man. What am I thinking? The distance between 2 points. Yes. Wait, is it? I don't even know. The minimum is greater than 0. I check if the distance of all the sides are equal and greater than 0, and I check that the diagonals are the correct size. Yeah, anyway, that problem is too hard for me, man. Valid square, who would have thought? But low acceptance rate. Should we check 0 track, see what they're saying? Man, I'm taking a lot of L's today, man. It's not even on 0 track because the problem is too old. Alright, let me try and solve at least one problem in this set. Well, I've already done this though. I don't want to do it again. I've done it, well, I did it like earlier this year, so maybe I should do it again. Count substring starting and ending with given character. You're given a string S, Q Ultimus, type racer time. Alright, I guess I'll attempt this problem after. Geometry is a hard topic. It wasn't even that common in LeetCode. Yeah, I really suck at geometry, man. Alright, real quick, type racer time. What should the bet be? The bet is, will I beat Q Ultimus? That's what we're gonna bet on. First race is the warm-up, second race is the championship round. Will I beat Q Ultimus? John C, what's happening? Alright, place those bets. Oh, no Condom Chris is here for the type racing. Clistar, $15,000. Trying to make Q rich. Oh, man. All right, here we go. First race is the warm-up round. Second race is the championship round. Are you guys ready for the warm-up? All right, place your bets, place your bets. Pixel Pusher in the house. Oh, long warm-up, man. Let me get ready. Q with the 101 in the practice round, man. Six pack sexy 104, and everybody else double digits, man. But don't you worry, that was just the practice round. It doesn't count. The championship round is coming up. That's where we try our best. No joking around, man. That was long, yeah, it was a long passage. All right, y'all ready? The Pixel Pusher is in the racetrack. All right, championship round. Will I beat Q Ultimus? This is Q Ultimus right here, and this is me. Big bets, big bets. All right, let's see, let's see. 104 to 103. Look at that. I beat Q just barely. And Pixel Pusher with the 157. Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris, 113. Clistar 90, Stilled 97. Lost everything. Oh no, Leet Whale. You shouldn't be going all in like that. Alright, here we go. Clistar gets a lot of money. Too easy. And 157 for the Pixel Pusher. Dang, 27,000 points. Alright. Uh, 157, I think. Yeah, 157. There we go. Either me or Clistar getting that keyboard? Nah, it's only gonna be you, man. Yeah, she's not allowed to get the keyboard. Everybody knows that. Steven Saggy Ball, how you doing? I just got shanked by some girl in my dream. Man, what were you doing? I was at a singing competition. What song were you singing? Are you a good singer, man? What's up? I want to see Pixel Pusher's screen. He's crazy fast. Yeah, Pixel Pusher is one of the fastest typers in the world. He's like top 200 in Type Racer or something. Alright, man. I'm just struggling all day on Q1. Alright, I said I was going to try Q2. Let's see. You're given a string S and a character C. Return the total number of substrings that S can start and end with C. Wait. Of S that start and end with C. So... so A... There's one... Wait, 1, 2, 3. Each A counts as 1, and then 1, 2. That's only 5 though. Oh, and then the whole thing, 6. Is it just like a two-sum type of problem where we count how many A's we've seen before and we iterate through? So right now there's 1. Let me try and science it out. So how many? The answer should be 6. So we start here. I guess count is 1, so we just add 1. Then we keep going. And now we got 2, so do we just add 2 there? And then here 3, so we just add another 3 to get 6. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, maybe. I'll try it. Oh, there's already a C. So if these are equal, then I'm gonna increase the count. And then do that. It can't be this simple, man. It feels like this is a little too easy if it was right. So let me see. All right, that one is easy. I don't know why the acceptance rate is so low here. All right, should we try Q3? First hard problem of the day. I've already solved it too, but let me see when I solved it. Earlier this year. I guess it's time. Can you do it in ON? Wait, that was ON, Steven Sagiball. What do you mean? There's only... I'm only checking each character one time. Or are you talking about the next problem in ON? Oh, this is a long bunch of reading. Minimum cost in weighted graph. Or let me see what Q4 is. I've already solved this one too, man. But this one I solved a lot longer. So maybe I'll try Q4 before I try Q3, since this one is like least recently solved. Number of ways to divide a long corridor. Along a long library corridor, there is a line of seats and decorative plants. You're given a zero index string corridor of length n consisting of letters S and P, where each S represents a seat and each P represents a plant. One room divider has already been installed to the left of index 0 and another to the right of the last index. Additional room dividers can be installed for each position between indices I-1 and I for all i's within this range. At most, one divider can be installed. Okay. Divide the corridor into non-overlapping sections where each section has exactly 2 seats with any number of plants. There may be multiple ways to perform the division. 2 ways are different if there is a position with a room divider installed in the first way but not in the second way. Return the number of ways to divide the corridor. Since the answer may be very large, return it mod prime number. If there is no way, return 0. Did you finish the square one? Nah, square one is too hard. Show the solution. Wait, which solution? Let me look at this example. So S, S, P, P, S, P, S. And 1, 2, 3. There's only 3 ways. Is this a stars and bars type of problem? Wait, how many dividers can we put? Why can't we put in a divider right here in between index 4 and 5 and 5 and 6? Exactly 2 seats. Oh, that's why. Oh, we need 2 seats per section. I see, I see. Okay, so do I just need to count how many plants in between each seat? And you times it, multiply them. You got this one? Yeah, I mean, I've already solved it, so for sure I should be able to do it. I think, all right, exactly 2 seats. Oh, let me erase this. So it's been like a year since I solved it last. Let me think. Do I need an index here, like this? So if it's a seat, we increment the number of seats, and then I need to find out how many spaces are in between there. So I guess why can't I think, man? So I'm trying to think, like, if the seats mod 2 is 0, then we gotta like count how many plants are in between. This might look a little bootleg. While this is a plant, and then something like this maybe. But there might be some edge cases I'm not thinking of. I don't know. I'm just gonna run it. Too lazy to like think of it. Wait, classic DP? Oh lordy. Oh man. Maybe I'm not right if I didn't do a DP. Wait, what is going on here? It's out of scope. I was leading you down a different path. Oh. Oh, wait. I wonder if... Oh, yeah. So, maybe I only do this right here. Alright, let me look why this is wrong for case 2. Example 2, because... Well, I'm guessing a bunch of seats there. Klondike 7000, what's happening? Drive by. I came here like 2 years ago to see you working. Craft tonight is encouraging. Look at you go. Discipline pays off. You're light years ahead of a few years ago. I don't know about that. I think I'm not that much better. Be encouraged to look over the years, not days or weeks on progress. I think for sure I've gotten better over the years, but I don't think I've gotten a whole lot better, you know. Mainly because I don't train as hard as I used to. But I'd say, I don't know, since around 3 years ago, I was like almost 2,000 rated, and since then I haven't progressed too much because I think I was higher than my rating says here. Brent Arata is training hard right now. I like to hear that. Wait, does he have like crazy interviews coming up? Wait, days and weeks are discouraging. Years are encouraging? What does that mean? Wait, oh, he's doing... You don't even have to tell me, man. He's doing the dang Sean T, isn't he? That's what he's training. I already know. I didn't even have to look, man. Hold on. Why is my thing wrong here? Oh, because in the beginning... I don't know how to fix my code. Maybe I have to be like, only if we found... Or maybe if seats not equal to 0. But then there's like one plant at the end there. Alright, so maybe I'll just say if seats equal to 2, and then after we do all this, I'll reset the seats to 0. No, does that even make sense? How do I do this, man? Because... Oh, wait. Or maybe I can start with answer at 1. I don't know how to handle this case where there's only one group of seats. To head out a bit early. Oh, Q Ultimus. Thank you for tuning in, man. See you later. Would I do a max out stream? Probably not, man. So if there's only 2 seats, then the answer is 1. Wait. I feel like this shouldn't be giving me this much trouble, I feel. I need your motivational words to get me to study. Man, I've given you all I got, Steven Sagiball. If you don't want to study, that's your problem, man. You're the one who's gonna stay unemployed. You're the one who's gonna be, you know, wondering about what you're gonna be doing with your time. You're the one who's not gonna go to Japan because you're broke. So I can't tell you any more things, man. You gotta find that from within. If you're okay with living at home, being broke, not getting another job, then yeah, maybe you can just continue to not study. But you're right there, Steven Sagiball. All you gotta do is like a couple more months, weeks even, of studying, and I think you'll be able to get an offer. And I think you got some very important, yeah, you got 2 weeks and you're talking about you don't have motivation to study. I don't know what I don't think there's anything I can tell you to motivate you if you're already like slacking off with, you only got 2 weeks left, you know? You just gotta buckle down and go ham for the next 2 weeks. Stop playing Hearthstone, man. Uninstall Hearthstone, that's what you should do. Wait, let me think about this problem. What am I doing? So I'm just trying to go through and only I only want the plants in between sections of 2 seats to count. Right? But then like this case, there's only one section with 2 seats. So I'm unsure how to handle it, man. But I feel like I'm on the right path. I just need to like concentrate for a bit. Yeah, uninstall the Hearthstone, yeah, for sure. I think that's a good idea for you. You need exactly one divider between every pair of seats, right? No, you need as many dividers as... You need to find how many ways you can place the divider. Oh yeah, yeah. Only one divider in between the pairs. I know I can do this problem, man. It's just... my mind ain't fully here, I guess, right now. So I'm just counting how many plants in between the sections. Maybe I should like just push that back into... Oh, this doesn't even feel necessary, man. But then I reset the seats to 0, and then it won't ever get there. And then now it's like, if this is 1, oops, what did I do, man? Focus, yeah, I'm trying, but I'm having focus issues today. Alright. It's like if there's only one thing, then there's only one section. Otherwise, I just kind of multiply them up together. I don't think this is it. So I fixed the one test case and I broke all the other test cases. Plant. Done. Oh, I see. This isn't always true. Alright, let me Control Z all that junk I just did. Maybe I'm too hungry, man. Maybe that's like the real issue here. But it's too late for me to eat. What the hell? I didn't even do anything different. How's that working now? I don't even know what I just did, man. It's probably not right. Yeah. Sorry for nah, it's not anybody's fault except myself. Alright, so S seat. So that's 1. Seat. That's 2. So there's really only one way to do this, right? So how am I gonna get 5 there? Doesn't... So it's 0. Oh, because we're trying to multiply it out. But I still think something's wrong. Oh, but then if there's... Oh, I have to like count the seats. Man, why am I struggling today? How's that 1? Everything is 1 now. What am I looking at here? So 1, 2, 3, 4 seats. How am I gonna return 0 now? If seats are greater than 0 and seats mod 2 is 0, then I try and see like how many plants in between. Do all that. Lock 94. What's happening? How there's 7 seats, man? There's not 7 seats. One, two, 3 seats. None of these are right. 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm saying 7. Alright, I'm not doing good over here right now. It's like counting seats multiple times. Yes, 0, 1. Plant, plant, plant. Alright, my code sucks. My code sucks big time. Yeah, I didn't even know I did that, man. Wait. I know why I did that, but I don't know why it's messing up. So SSPPSS. So it goes here. No. SS. So it gets here and then it goes PP. And now J. I'm just writing a bunch of spaghetti code, man. I'm about to give up on this problem and go do something else. Plants +1. Which was the test case I'm failing? So seat, and I'm guessing this last plant, but there's no other seats at the end. So that it's like that section is no good. I don't know how to stop that. Anyways, I think I'm just tired of this, man. Maybe I just need to stop for the night, you know? The last one shouldn't be multiplied. Yeah. I don't know how to do that, though. Um, try some bootleg things, see if that works. Alright, it only took me like 10 submissions to get this. And I think I had the right idea initially. I just struggled to think about how to handle it or how to implement. It's like towards the end of my day, you know, I'm like on 10 submissions. Has it been 10? It's too many. I don't even know how many. It's not 10, it's just 3. Let me see if I made like the same mistakes a year ago as I did today. I did some weird things, but same idea. You watch any movies recently? Nah. Wait, how did I do this last time? Plant streak. Oh, I see. I only counted when I'm at the 3rd seat. That's what I did the last time. That way seems a little bit nice. Interesting. And the way I solved it this time around, 1 year later, is I get my total seats and I check like if there are any more seats available. Then I should multiply the answer. But if there's no more seats available, like, we shouldn't do that last seat. Oh. I'm gonna chalk that up to just being sleepy, man. Maybe I can do this one real quick. It seems like it's a Dijkstra's, I don't really know, but it says weighted graph and well, maybe it's not Dijkstra's, I'm not sure. Should I even read it? Here we go. There's an undirected weighted graph with n vertices labeled from 0 to n minus 1. You are given the integer n and an array edges where edges I equal UVW indicates that there is an edge between vertices U and V with a weight of W. A walk on a graph is a sequence of vertices and edges. The walk starts and ends with a vertex, and each edge connects the vertex that comes before it and the vertex that comes after it. It's important to note that a walk may visit the same edge or vertex more than once. I remember this problem recently. The cost of a walk starting at node U and ending at node V is defined as the bitwise AND of the weights of the edges traversed during the walk. In other words, if the sequence of edge weights encountered during the walk is all of these, then the cost is calculated as the bitwise AND of all of them. You're also given a 2D array query where queries I equal ST. For each query, you need to find the minimum cost of the walk starting at vertex S and ending at vertex T. If there exists no such walk, the answer is -1. The minimum cost. So it's like I should just hit everything in the group. Maybe. So alright. 5 nodes. The edges are here. And they want to go from node 0 to node 3. They say that answer is 1. Because I guess we go 0, 1, 2, 1, 3. And then the other one is from query 3 to 4, but they're in different groups. So I don't know if I'm going to implement it, but it looks like we just get the bitwise AND for each group of nodes. And as long as the queries are in the same group, it's just going to be that minimum answer. Otherwise, if the nodes are in different groups, it's going to be -1. Let me look at this one. So, example 2. The weights are 15, 7, 6, 1. And I assume if you just bitwise all of those things, it's 0. And you go from 1 to 2. Yeah, I can solve this, man. But too tired to code it up. Should I end early? I just got back. What is your approach? Oh, Brett, I was just saying, I think I can code it, but I don't feel like to. So the approach is to just get the bitwise AND of all the weights for every group of connected nodes. And then for each query, I'm just checking like if the 2 nodes are in the same group, then it should just be the minimum or the bitwise AND for that group. And if the 2 nodes are not in the same group, then it should be a -1. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that is the answer. But I don't feel like to implement it. Gamble for fun? Not tonight. And I've already solved it, so maybe I can just look at how I solved it previously, or where I'm gonna do DF. Yeah, for sure I'll do DFS. Maybe, alright. I'll try and implement it. So let me create adjacency list. Union find makes this pretty simple. Oh man, I don't know union find like that, man. I'm gonna have to do a bootleg DFS where I'm basically doing like a union find, or a bootleg union find with my DFS or whatever. If I were to DFS, DFS each node, try and remember which group they're in, and also try to remember the minimum for that group. So I have like group min. Maybe I'll have node group. And then let me create my adjacency list. And we're gonna say oh wait, this should be, maybe it's like maybe I need this type of adjacency list. Oh, wait. I need to push back the weights. So it's gonna be something like that. So that's my adjacency list. And then now, let me create a DFS function. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Pair. How are we gonna do this part? I guess we iterate from I equal 1 to n, and then maybe I need like a scene. Maybe that could be our node group. So if node group dot find I, so if we haven't seen this node yet, then we should DFS. And right. And then in our DFS, I guess I'm gonna be like node, oh wait. Yeah, node group X is equal to this group. Oh, and then I should increment my group here. And we also want to say what the group minimum is. How are we gonna do that? Perhaps I can just pass in Can I just pass in int max? Is that a good idea? Or is that a bad idea? I'm just trying to set like something with all ones. So what is the value? Where are the values at? Are these the weights? 10 to the 5th? Not a bad idea? Alright, I'll just keep it there instead of trying to calculate like which power of 2 I should go to. We can also do 2 to the power of 20, or 1 shifted 20 minus 1. I guess that will give me like 100k, or like all ones there. I'll just use int max. I think it's like the same thing, I hope. Alright, so we mark the node with that, and then what else do we need? We need the group minimum, so I guess maybe I can pass that by reference. And we start at this node and we want to go through all the children. And then I'll and equal this child. What is a pair? So maybe I'll say like the child and the child weight. So I end it with the child weight. And then, or should I just check like if the child is equal to the parent, then continue. End it, and then DFS. And then now that should give me the group minimums. So here I'll probably be like group, what's it called? Group min. Group min of the group is equal to cur. All right, so now I gotta go through the queries and give my answer. So make this bigger. So we got query, not queries. I just like to do this so it's easier for me to read. And then I gotta check like if node group, if the node group of source is not equal to the node group at the destination, then we can push back a -1. Otherwise, we want to push back the group min of the node group. All right, let's see. Let's see if I typed that correctly. I doubt it. Wait, what? I didn't even look at what the error said. $25. What are they talking about, man? X. What did I do wrong here? What kind of error was that? I'm not sure. All right. Where did I go wrong? Oh, I guess we gotta say if we've seen it. How do I do that, man? Maybe like right here. Anyways, I think it's time for me to go. Unfortunately, I am not able to solve this. I wonder what happened here. 6. Zero, 1. I got a bug somewhere. How did I get 6 there though? I wonder if... Oh, I see. I think I see something where we should probably try to visit the node. Like, this has 2 edges between the nodes, but I only do it one time because if I see, I don't know how to deal with this case. Where it's only taking one of these paths and it doesn't explore the other path. DFS from 0 and I go to 1. From 1 I go to 2. I don't know how I solved it. Anyways, I gotta go, man. I'm too tired. Should I just look at old answers or should I give it some more thought? I don't have the brain juice. 9:30 a.m. bi-weekly. Oh, snap. Let me see what I did in the past. I don't know if I can wake up for that, man. Man, I did a whole bunch of junk here. I'm like counting the bits. That's a little bit wild. So I guess I don't care about the parent thing. Anyways, Tomo Mami, what's happening? Got another Amazon interview. Just passing by to breathe this amazing energy here again. Well, I'm about to end stream, man. Thank you for stopping by, Tomo Mami. I was trying to code this up real quick before I left, but something ain't right. Maybe I'll take this out and see if it helps. Nah. How? Wait. How do I do this part, man? Maybe I do this. Where... Yeah, there we go. Brain low on energy. Well, I hope this passes. If it doesn't, I'm out of here anyways. Time limit exceeded. Jesus Christ. Hold on. I gotta fix this, man. I can't be having a time limit exceeds. How the hell? They're gonna give me a time limit exceeds? How about... I don't even know if... Alright, if this... I don't know why I'm getting time that exceeds, but if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to figure it out another time. Always join as I'm leaving? Dang. Oh wait, did I just get the AC? Or no? It's... Oh yeah, I just got the AC, but it's really slow. There must be a faster... I guess Union Fine will just be faster than doing this junk. Or wait, what are some other optimizations? I guess we can do without this map. We could probably have a vector there instead. Wait, who just redeemed that, man? I'm trying to go smart coder, type racer. Alright, I'll do the type racer and then I'm out of here. Did good job on this set. Thanks, Brad. I think I struggled a bit, mainly because I'm tired. Alright, type racer real quick, man. Quick bet, quick bet. Will I get triple digits? And I'm really sleepy right now. But place your bets, will I get triple digits? Yes or no? And after this, I am out of here. First race warm-up, second race championship round. Alright, here we go, man. Nobody's in here. I'm about to start it. Can't be waiting too long. Let's get warmed up, and then let's type our fastest. I didn't even put the type eraser cam on. All right, a little warm up, pretty long warm up though. All right, bets closed. Will I get triple digits? It is not likely, I think, right now. Oh, Icy Black Deep is in the house. Here we go, here we go. Let's do this real quick, man. Oh, lordy. This looks tough. I don't think I'm gonna get it. Whew, I've never typed half of these words in here. Dang, 90. Very slow. 92 is the champion here. We haven't had a double-digit champ in a long time, man. You want points? Alright. Will I hit triple digits? No. And who was that? No Condom Chris with a 92. Easy championship. What a name, yeah. Alright, let me find somebody to raid. And we are out of here. Chi-Chi Impact. Brent is on. Let's go raid Chi-Chi Impact.
You know where Broskip went.
Oh, shit. Alright, everybody. We're about to go raid Chi-Chi Impact. Everybody knows who that is. So, thank you for tuning in. And see you next time. Leet Whale. Adios. Wise saying. See you later. No Condom Chris. Have a good night. Smart Coder. See you next time. I might be doing the web dev thing tomorrow. We'll see. I've been saying that for a few weeks. And every time I try and do it, something comes up. Brayan, adios, Shekumaru, see you later, Icy Black Deep, have a good night, Liquid Soria, see you next time, man. Pinto Fool, adios, amigo, and everybody out there who's lurking, have a good night. Everybody on YouTube, peace out, and I'm about to go raid. See you later.